This guide will walk you through how to update your notification settings in Brightspace D2L. First, click on your name. Select Notifications. Under Contact Methods, select Enable Email Notifications and type in the email you'd like to use. Under Mobile Number, click Register Your Mobile. Fill out the form with your carrier information and select Save. Scroll down to select which items you want notified to your email or phone via SMS messaging. You may also customize your notifications to choose if grades are displayed in them, or if future or old classes are able to email you or text you. Please keep in mind that once you graduate, you may want to come back into these settings and disable notifications.